Hi, are you facing struggle in maintaining tantrums, transition and the routines at the home? Namaste, I'm Kamal Sharma, speech language pathologist. I'm going to guide you today how to work on the visual schedules that will improve the communication in your child and make a better engagement in society and the societal activities. Let's understand what is visual schedules. Visual schedules is a series of pictures that will combine with the images, icons, and the digital pictures that will predict the child what next. You may be wondering how it will improve in children with autism spectrum disorder. Well, it's not only for the autism spectrum disorder, this is for all the children who have a developmental problem or who have a problem in learning. The children who have a poor communication skills, it is expected and assumed that their learning from the visuals pictures are more better than the oral communication. So in that term, visual schedules will help them to understand and predict what is next and how to prepare oneself from or being communication approaches or being ready for the next step. You may be thinking how it can be done. Again, the pictures visual schedules should have a certain word like wake up, good morning, open it, bathroom, kitchen, breakfast, like the series of word with the image. And every day whenever you are going to introduce the things to the child, you are going to point it and you are going to use the word as a core vocabulary, and then you are going to model the child how to say it. One of the interesting thing is that you should not make it as a regular activity, because you know that prediction is not always a flexible, right? So you need to make the child flexible. So in such term you have to keep changing this routines so that the child understand that there is flexibility in the activities or in the routine. Simultaneously, you need to work on the certain parameter like practicing that in the regular basis. Whenever you do a real time visual schedulings, you have to take a certain amount of time beside that, and then you have to make child practice and do the rehearsal so that the child, whenever the child try to go for the real work, real field to do use the visual schedulings, the child should get appropriate idea, reconnection, and the working memory how to recite that. If you would like to see more about the parent tips or the tips to guide you how to work on the such thing, please do subscribe my channel, like my videos. Thank you so much.